freezing.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today what we're doing is we're gonna cook. I'm gonna show you one of my husband's favorite recipe, which is this version of enchiladas that one of my dearest friends showed me. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And she showed me this recipe. Have to tweak it a little way, my own version, but it's not too much tweak. This is ground beef. I usually try to get a little bit of the one with a little bit grease, but throws a little bit of extra grease because the grease, oops, sorry, because what we're gonna use, the grease leftover, it's gonna go on top of the enchiladas. So for what would you need for this is ground beef. I bought, for this time we got, this is for the whole entire family, we got the 3-pound one, this one. Usually I try to get 2 of these. You're gonna need tortillas. We got 2 because we're gonna fry them. And we got jalapenos because they're not too, these enchiladas are not spicy. For the people that, a little bit paprika, put a little bit of oregano, black pepper, a little bit of chili powder. I got the pepito. I'm gonna cut it now. Square down and then pieces down. Square down, pieces down. Usually you just do this to the second one. I think I'm gonna do 1.5, so I'm gonna do the whole entire pepito 1.5. Okay guys, so this is how we're gonna do how we're gonna roll them up. Okay, so remember the little ones that I cut, half of the cut, so they're here. Those are going inside, and this is the meat. So we just spread it out, not too much because you're gonna roll them, so they're gonna look too chubby. I mean, we love them chubby here, but you gotta fit the cheese. And don't worry, I did wash my hands. 1, 2. I sometimes feel generous and put 3. Okay. 1, 2. And don't tie them up too much because they're gonna break. And these are already fried because my mother-in-law's already frying them. We just do 1, 2 turns and that's it. So. 1, 2. Oh, thanks.
Alright guys, all she has to do is add the cheese.
And the caldito.
Oh yeah.
You should be thankful that Cece showed me this.
Huh?
You should be thankful that Cece showed me this, how to do them.
You should have learned this by yourself. So basically she's adding the cheese.
We only used 1 today.
1?
Yeah, I was gonna use 1.5, but we're not making more.
So it's basically she's adding the cheese. Then she's gonna add some meat on top. And this little juice that's in there, she's gonna add it on top, put it in the oven, and we'll show you the results when they come out.
At 350.
At 350. Did it burn? What the? What? You don't want me to show this? What happened to that? Well, this is how that's supposed to look, guys. Cheese, meat, yeah, buddy.
I think this one you left them inside. I forgot to tell you to. ¿Sí la pagaste right away?
Yeah. What the? What is this?
The cheese got a little
Is that
burnt.
barbecue?
Yeah.
Psych.
Do you want them like that?
Yeah, that's fine. But
oh no, the inside's still good. It's just the cheese from the top.
Well,
Okay, guys, it's very late,
You look
but
so dead. Yeah, we
I'm ready to go to sleep. But hope y'all like it. Hope y'all try it. Let us know if y'all try it, and let us know if y'all like it. Something fast for the family. I hope y'all have a good one. Oh, we are at 104 subscribers, guys. Y'all know, for us, this is so amazing. So thank you guys for everybody that subscribes. We love ya. We appreciate it. Thank you. To the next one.
To the next one. Bye, guys.